Let's talk about railings. How do we create them? How do they behave? How do we customize them?
Okay, so, well, first things first. All the staircases that you design in the software, let me go back to the one that we have created first, can host railing automatically. And for that, all you need to do is just to go to the settings of the staircase, which you already created, edit it, and go to the railing settings, and then enable the railing on each of the sides. Again, right and left hand side is determined by the walk direction. So let's say I would like to enable one on the right hand side, and then we come with these. This is what we call a style that you can select here. So when you select the steel profile, for example, then the software will automatically read the details in the steel profile style, which we will cover soon, how you can create styles, and then we'll automatically apply that railing on the right hand side of this staircase when you hit OK, and then it's automatically created. So now it will follow. You don't have to pick 3D points and follow the staircase. It will automatically create the proper railing.